I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I am doing a unboxing today of my Kylie Cosmetics. Oh. Okay, so I have to confess, I don't usually look at her stuff. I haven't never bought any of her things. I wasn't really interested, but she did launch this Kylie and Jordyn collection that had some glosses I was really interested in. They looked really pretty, so I caved and yeah, I bought them. So I like the packaging. It's a cute little pink, address. Cute little pink box. So cute. A little card in here. Good choices. Love these products you picked. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. XO Kylie Jordyn. All right, Kylie Jenner. So that's cute. That's a cute little card that she put in there. That they put in there. It's all the little things as far as packaging and thank yous and appreciation that go a long way with customers, which is why people probably buy her stuff over and over again. I've never bought anything, so I don't know how good the quality is, but she gets me on the packaging for real. So as a first-time buyer, they give you like a discount code, and this flash is really bright. They give you a discount code and you have to spend a certain amount to use the discount. Well, with just what I was going to buy, I didn't have enough. So I had to buy something extra. So that's something extra I'm going to put over here to the side. And this is the lip gloss combo that I bought, the Kylie Jordyn collection. It's in like a chocolate brown with rose gold metallic foil printed. Partner in Crime. Let me see. Here we go. Got Partner in Crime and 23 are the colors that I chose, which are the only two colors gloss. This is the Partner in Crime, I think. Yeah. And this is the color that they both, I think they've both worn this, and I think Jordyn had it on. This is really pretty packaging. It's clear plastic with like a rose gold cap. I don't have my usual mirror behind me. I'm doing this in my room. Another different setup. So that's like a nude, a really nice, ouch. Okay, this is childproof. I'm breaking it. This one is sealed, like closed really tight. And I've already messed up the top, so might as well just, I can't get it open. Oh my God, I just tore it, but it's not going back, so whatevs. And this is the gold. It's really pretty. It's very gold, but it also is pretty sheer from what I could tell. So we'll give it a try. It can't be any worse than anything else I've ordered that I've never sent back. And the last thing that I ordered, I was gonna order like a bunch of glosses, but I've never tried her formula before, and I wasn't sure I was gonna like the old formula because this apparently is a new formula. So I didn't. I ended up instead getting this, oops, I just dropped the plastic cover. This really pretty highlight. And I don't know if you can see that. Let me bend that mirror back so you're not blinded. Is that pretty or what? This is called Chocolate Cherry Pressed Illuminating Powder. It is so pretty. It is really pretty in person too. Just gonna swatch this a little bit. Ooh, that is very, I'm barely touching it, but I am rubbing it a little bit. Trying to see if I can see what I'm doing here. Oh, that's pretty. Well, I didn't hardly get anything on there. I need to press probably a little harder. It's so pretty though. Oh my gosh. It's not too pink, but I do see from the side, I do see the pink in it. That's pretty. Okay, so I'll probably wear that to work. Who knows? I don't know. Okay, let's swatch 23. And again, she said this was a new formula. This is the doe foot applicator. I'm going to swatch a little tiny bit on my hand. And it is pretty. Oh, that's lovely. Huge doe foot applicator. Like Santa's reindeer giant size. That's pretty. And the next one is Partner in Crime. It's a liquidy formula. Try not to tip the bottle over too much. This one's lighter. This is, again, a nude. It's a pinky nude. That's pretty. That's going to go really well with a nice chocolate brown liner, which I will be wearing soon. So what I'm going to do now is, wow, kind of shiny. I've been out today, in and out of the heat, and it's kind of humid and muggy today because the sun's, it's kind of cloudy and overcast. Anyway, doesn't matter. I'm still loving the way this setting spray is working for me. So what I'm going to do is take off this lipstick that I have right now, which is two different MAC lipsticks, Whirl and Meltdown, with the chestnut pencil as a liner. And take this off, put on one of these, see how it looks, maybe come back and show you. And I already have highlighter on. Do I have highlighter? I don't, but I'm trying to be quiet. So we'll see. I'm gonna try that and we'll come back. Hold please. Okay, I got a mirror so I can do this. I wiped it off. I have just a little bit of cocoa butter lip balm on there. So I'm gonna line my lips first with this chestnut pencil. This is all, oops, sorry. This is all I have left of this pencil. I did just buy another one, but this pencil has, I'm using this to the nub, but I've had this pencil forever. It's just a really perfect liner for nudes and colors that you want to add a little bit of depth to. We're not going to turn this into a how-to video. And you know what? I kind of don't like the way this shine is bringing out, or the light, the flash is bringing out all this shine, because in natural light I don't look that bad. Okay. We're going to try the Kylie. This is the Partner in Crime. I'm sorry I didn't mean to flash you in the eyeball with my mirror. It's kind of light. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's lovely. This is a good nude. It smells really good. It's a sweet smell. Oh, I like that. Yeah, good decision. I like it. I like it. Let's get lipstick on my teeth. I like it. I like it a lot. This liner is perfect for this color, by the way, in case you didn't notice. Okay, let's wipe this off and we'll go with the gold and we'll do the liner again. And heck, we'll just leave it. We'll just leave the camera running since I went and got a wipe. Comes off nicely. The texture isn't bad. And again, this is not like a review or anything. It's really basically a first impressions video. Do a little bit of liner. It is a gold, so you know, I don't want to look like I just jumped out of the 70s disco ball. But that gold was really calling my name when I saw it. And I think another convincing factor was that her friend Jordyn, Kylie's friend Jordyn, best friend Jordyn, is darker than her. She's an African American. She might be mixed. I don't really know. I don't really care. But her skin tone is darker, and so the fact that they both looked good on her skin tone was really motivating for me as well. Okay, let's try this sheer gold gloss. Ah, it smells so good. Oh, that's a good topper. Like, I could line my lips with this whole thing. What if I smear my liner a little bit? Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Let me just get a little more. Sorry. Oh, that's lovely. This formula is very soft. Very glidey. Is that a word? Glidey? I got a little bit of my liner on there. It's a huge applicator. And I did get some liner on there. Sorry. But it's always going to be warm with liner. Oh, that's so pretty. Can you imagine in the daytime? I mean, you're probably getting all the sparkle that it gives. All of the sparkle that it's giving off. You're probably getting all of that. And it's really kind of sheer. You can build it up. It's not that sticky. And it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah. And that's going to be really good over, say, a darker nude. Like my nude from MAC, The Whirl. It'd probably look really good with that. I really like that. And I didn't get a brush to apply this highlight, but can I put that on the top there? Can it, does it work? That color, that gold though, oh, it's all over my lipstick. But, I mean, obviously, I knew I was going to do that, but, oh, both of these are really pretty. I'm really happy. I'm really happy. I'm gonna have to wipe that off my mouth, off my whirl, but oh, that's so pretty. I'm becoming a lip gloss junkie. Thank you for watching. I am really happy. I'm gonna dab some highlight on because why not? Let me just put some. It comes with a mirror. Where should I put this? I have no idea where to put it, just to show you. I don't have a brush or anything, and I don't want to. How about I take my glasses off? And then, thanks for highlighting that huge pimple right there. Flash. I really appreciate that. That is so gorge. Oh, gosh. Yeah, so all in all, really happy with all three of my purchases from Kylie Cosmetics. Not gonna lie. I can't even be mad at her because, I mean, she did that. This formula is bomb. It smells good. It feels good. I don't feel heavy. You know, you saw me put a lot on there. And it looks really good. This gold, I was a little bit afraid of it. But I was so intrigued by it because it's kind of melting down into a more subtle gold. Like it goes on like kind of strong, but it kind of settles down into something more. Oh, let me put some highlight on that side. Because why not? Because why not? This side doesn't have a giant pimple on it, so. I really hate doing this with my finger because I just, I did wipe my finger off a little bit on the wipe so I don't get it all because my face has already got makeup on it and the day's pollution. This video is getting kind of long. But, oh. That color is pretty. Chocolate cherry? Chocolate cherry. Yeah. Yeah. I'll be wearing this to work. I'll be wearing this out. We're going to see a movie next week. So, yeah, I'll be wearing this. All of this. I'll probably wear it all. You know, let's try that. Let's try that. Let's try the nude with the gloss on top. Oh, hold on. Time out. Okay. So, I know it's not meant for this. I did already line my lips. And this stuff is going to last a while because that gold was kind of hard to get off. Not like difficult, but it stays in place. You know what I mean? All right. Just a little bit of this. Pretty good coverage too. And what I might do is just so I don't contaminate my gold too much because I've already gotten a little bit of the liner in there. And I've already pressed my lips together, so It's not what I intended to do. I wanted to do the gold on the top and then press them together. Because I didn't want that to happen too much. I think we have my new obsession. Oh. You are so pretty. Yeah. My new obsession. This is gorgeous. This combo, this MAC pencil and chestnut, and the partner in crime, and I have white residue on my face. Sorry. What partner in crime and 23 gloss. My everything right now. I just bought a new cup from Arctic Coolers, and I should have gotten a straw because I'm not going to want to mess up my lips with this gloss on. Should I wear this to work? Of course, you know I'm going to. So, thank you for watching. Yeah, so if you have a chance to pick up the new KylieXJordyn collab with Kylie Cosmetics, the glosses are great. The highlighter is really pretty. And I'm looking in the magnified mirror. She's pretty. Oh, lipstick again. You have to do this trick that gets it's the inside of your lip. It gets the gloss off, so you don't get lipstick and stuff. It does it for lipstick and glosses, but it gets the inside of your lip, so you don't get that stuff on your teeth. So pretty. I'm sorry. I don't know if I was blocking you the whole time, but I just like it. I like it a lot. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great week. Have a blessed week, and enjoy yourself. Enjoy who you are, embrace who you are, and love yourself for who you are. Later.